What's great? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Bleach. Don't draw enough bleach. I know this, but I'll draw one now. Rectify it. So this is one of the Zero Division, one of the Royal Guard, the sword guy. Oetsu Nimaiya. Probably not saying that right. Where to begin? Right, so probably his hair, because he's got this like, so his elbow like sticks out, right? So the head is in the middle. Use a pencil eraser for these, by the way. Sketch it out lightly. Hit pause if I go too fast. Center point here. We'll come over, head usually in the middle, but we're just going over to the right a little bit, okay? We're going to do this like curvy kind of, like a mohawk fro sort of thing, okay? Very curly, black, mohawked hair, and it's like drawn in real rough and like this. I'm not being like super careful. It goes behind his head. There. And then you have this sort of round part of the head. Goes that way. Okay. Glasses then come across. He's got these gold rimmed glasses, right? And they're kind of three-dimensional there, so got like two lines. And then his hairline is here. And the side of this glasses comes down around, so they're kind of squarish this way, up around his nose, down the other side, and back underneath the hair. Okay, and then the blue part inside, so you're just going around that shape again, and then a little bit here. So his nose just comes down here, kind of like bumping around twice. And then the tip of the nose, real pointy. Nostrils come around the side. Like so, maybe like another nose line there. So he's talking, mouth sort of open. So we'll go unusual shape, right? So yeah, so kind of big, right? So it starts like here, and then it like opens itself up. It goes like up, and then curves there, back down, and then down like that. And then the bottom lip comes across here. There's no teeth drawn in, but if you wanted to draw in teeth, should we? Let's see if I can find a picture of his face closer up if they draw in the teeth. Where would I find images of this guy? I should have prepared. Kind of. Yeah, kind of like that. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Right, and then his top lip, so they draw it in, right? So it's like it just comes across the top here. And then his bottom lip is quite large. There. And then his chin real square. Like so. And like roughly speaking, human proportion, eye to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So the bottom of the nose there, about the same as eye to bottom of the nose. So like top of the glasses, there and there about the same. And then when the mouth's closed, it's nostrils to the bottom lip. But it works in this instance as well. So here, because he's got like a long chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay, so that's your halfway point between like nostril and chin. And this is your halfway point between like top of the glasses and the chin. So that and that are roughly the same. You have a bit of wiggle room with that. It doesn't have to be exact because it changes if the character's head goes back or comes forward. Perspective is in play. So it'll still look good if it's not exact. You know, you just want to aim for that sort of same spacing. Anyway, moving on. Jaw. Up the side. About mouth level, you want to start curving up. He's got like a real square face. Right, like a strong jaw. And his cheekbones actually stick out as well. Like that. And then we can see like the side of his glasses that go behind his ears. So they've got like some extra sort of lines and stuff on them. And we should see some underneath the hair here. Probably about the same area. Right, so we can see an ear sticking out just underneath this glasses part here. And then like the easiest thing to do is like a letter J. So this arm's up, right? But we can see like a little bit of the ear. His collar is like cutting off the ear here. So it's like it's different to this, right? Because he's got this white collar that comes across there. He's got like a big shoulder pad. Okay. And then his neck. So his neck goes this way, and then down this way. Right, thin enough. And then we got like some neck muscle lines and an Adam's apple. And then he has a green collar that comes out from behind here and here as well. So it's like traditional Japanese sort of kimono style thing. Okay, and then we can see like his collarbones or the top of his chest muscles, whichever. And then the center line for his chest just there. So we see a bit more hair just like curling out around here. And then this big collar. It's like a padded jacket. Goes up behind his head and it's got like texture lines and stuff on it, like an edge. And then it kind of bumps down the side here. Right, it's got like a rim. And then shoulder muscle just here. So the other one is bigger, right? Because his arm is up. So it's different sort of shape, right? So it bumps down like that on this side. And then the side of that padding sort of goes up behind his face there. And you've got like an edge to it and some fold lines and stuff. And it comes across here. Like that. So we can see the opening for the armpit on this side. Right, so it like comes around there, down. It's got like an edge. Folding lines, like so. Like another jacket line or something there. This is white, black. So then arms and muscles, right? So we got like his shoulder and then the sort of jacket goes in behind here. And then his armpit, so there's like a green section and a black section, so it's like there, it's like more clothing. And then his armpit sort of comes out this way, I mean, tricep and stuff. So these very long, skinny limbs. Okay, so this will go like real far. Say like we'll get the bicep first. Boom. Okay, so that's his tricep, and it goes like all the way out to the elbow. So like say there, so it's like his forearm would be here. The forearm then goes up this way. Doop. So real long and skinny now. His wrist and arm gets like extremely thin. He's got a wrist bone there. Okay, like real thin, see that? And then his hand starts here. And he's like pointing at his own forehead. So the hand is like all in here. So hands are always tricky. Nothing easy about hands, like ever. I would like to say they get easier, but they don't. They're just really hard. Even I mess them up. Make mistakes. I've got to like start again and stuff. So, don't like drawn hands. Have I ever said that before? So this curves around like that. Okay, it's the palm of his hand. Back of the hand then, just the way they draw it, it's like real skinny. Comes up around to the knuckles. So we've got like the first finger here. This is like some folds and stuff inside there. So this is little finger. And then we have another knuckle here. Down to there. Okay. We're getting there, right? And then index. Change direction for the knuckles, and then you can see like the inside of the finger there. And then his finger pointing to his head. Like, kind of like that. So you have two knuckles on your finger. 1, 2, see? 1, 2. 1, 2. Can't see the other one on this side because it's down here. And then the bottom side of this finger comes up into his head. Like that. And we can see his thumb as well. So it like comes out from here. Just sticking out like that. And as far as I can see, that's everything. You could add a sword somewhere, of course, if you wanted. But I think I'll leave it like that. We'll just stick with the character drawing today. How to draw the sword guy from the 0 division in Bleach. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.